All right, skincare enthusiasts, let's dive into creating the perfect oatmeal and honey face mask. This mask is not only soothing but also super moisturizing. First, you'll need some cooked oatmeal. Just whip up a small batch, let it cool, and you're good to go. Oatmeal is fantastic for your skin because it's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for calming irritated skin. Next, grab some honey. A tablespoon should do the trick. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps your skin retain moisture. Plus, it has antibacterial properties to keep those pesky breakouts at bay. Now, for the final touch, a splash of milk or yogurt. Both are rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates your skin, leaving it smooth and soft. Just mix in about a tablespoon. So, here's the breakdown. Mix your cooked oatmeal, honey, and milk or yogurt until you get a nice, creamy consistency. Apply the mask to your face, making sure to avoid the eye area. Let it sit for around 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, you can relax, meditate, or catch up on your favorite show. This mask is all about self-care after all. Once the time's up, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. You'll instantly notice how soft and hydrated your skin feels. This oatmeal and honey face mask is perfect for all skin types and can be used once or twice a week. It's a simple, natural way to keep your skin glowing and healthy. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Until next time, stay radiant. Please like and subscribe for more amazing skincare tips.